Hello, everyone. Welcome to March Patreon STL Part 3. If you do like the Patreons that you see, leave down in the comments which one is your favorite, or the comments of other Patreons you want me to go take a look at. For that as well, check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. Let's get into it. So you have RNE Studio. I think it's one of the best ones. So you have your Atomic Heart you can get as well if you meet the goal for it. I already got another free one. So we have JoJo, Frieza, and I don't know what these two girls are from. Uh, March Link for it, and we also have the superheroes: Hulk, Black Adam, Iron Fist, Luke Cage, and Deadpool. We have some Final Fantasy. Forgot his name. Titan's dad, Waka. I don't know which Final Fantasy these two are from. I haven't played all of it yet for it, but that's pretty much it for them. Well, we have, I think, the diamond weapon. This is, which one? Oh, that's March. Good. We have these guys. I have no idea. Force of the Lost. Minis. Force of the Lost. Creepy looking thing. And your superheroes. Okay, enemy. Hero. Villains and heroes, I guess. Plague of the Ross Swarm. So this is from Lord of the Prince. Very good prints. A lot of times very dark as well. I'm trying to figure out some kind of demon. Rat folk. Oh, okay, this is a demon type rat folk thing that they're doing with this as well. It looks pretty damn cool. I have a lot of rat folks, even though I have this thing subscribed to him monthly because I like the work of their prints. It's really high end for that as well. I know Age of Sigmar has rat folks you can use, but a lot of time they use plague rats for it. A lot of time they have a lot of mutations for that as well. I don't know. I own some Age of Sigmar, but they're mostly undeads. But let me know what you guys think for the proxying these things for Age of Sigmar rats as well. The thing looks really awesome and cool looking as well. You might want to make boils for it. So, riders, claws, you have big ass monsters for these two ends as well. I think this one's very cool with the like boils and plagues built made onto it. Because you can kit bash a lot of things as well. STL miniatures. Very good place to get a lot of pieces for terrains and display as well. So we have we have circus and even spiders as well. So a lot of things you can use. A lot of carriages. A lot of things. Magic box. Stuff like that. A lot of stuff. This is also good for that. What's that? That fairy, Feywild campaign that got released on 5th edition. This will be very good for that as well for the terrain pieces. And we have your spiders. I think this is the ice spiders. That looks really good. Bard, dwarf, elf, fire dancers, jester, performers. So yeah, these would be really good to have. We did 3D art guy. Bruno, we did Bruno art. We did now raw. Oh, did see that? um, yeah, raw March pack is here. So we have their pin up girls is really good, and we have their 4 miniatures. Looks like one is an elemental, hulking flame golem, um, Voltlock, Moria, and Rebecca. So those would be pretty good to have for D&D. Let's go to the next one. So we did arcade minis for this month. A lot of times, if you're playing Spelljammer, it's probably one of the best ones miniatures to get. Arcade minis. It comes with a Spelljammer ship a lot of times, and a lot of other things as well. I'm trying to find the March teaser for it. No, January Now, February or March. March teaser. We have the Anarch Dragon, and this is another one. This could be like the mining Spelljammer ship. Annual paint. This will. This is February delay update. So the only teaser we have for March is this. So we'll probably want to see one probably later on down the road. Primal Beast Mini. If it loads. If it loads. Nothing for March. Usually it's come by here and there for a lot of that. Ruben Post. Let's see, vote for round 1, 2. So we have Stella Mercury. I think this is from Gundam. For it, and we have Nikki Volume. I've seen this girl a lot of the fan arts I see. It's $10, and it's a really good model. And yeah, next one is if it loads. Glad we did that. Next one's Red Clay. Red Clay is iffy right now because not enough people support him. But once like towards the end of the month, I cancel everyone and reply them back like middle of the month because my pay is all weird. So I know he's gonna release something, but I don't know if he's gonna release anything this month. He's taking his time. It's just not really paying the bills that he wants to do it monthly for it, and I understand that as well. So for March preview for Dragon Tapper Lodge, a lot of mini just for $10. We have Shark Folk. God damn it, I really hate it. I really wish you go. You know, it had the better, turning off point for pictures for this things. So you have Shark Folk. Keep pressing the fucking arrow. It's not doing anything. Looks like some kind of a dragon of some sort. A coconut from Moana. I think I already released a lot of those before. Some of these are throwbacks as well. We have crabs, hermit crabs, more shark folks. I tried Sea Battle. It's a lot harder than people think. We are, and it's just one of those things. A lot of these are older models and some newer models. We have sea turtle folk. We have some kind of a seaweed plant elementals, turtle, whale folk, humpback whales. But yeah, as for March, if you're doing a lot of sea stuff, there you have it. But I think this is the throwback. This March preview 1, this is 1. So I think this is a lot more. This is plant. These are a newer one. Okay, it looks good. A lot of plant forest. Well, spring is here, especially in South Carolina. People say it's not. It's here. Everything's blooming. Everything's pollinating. My fucking car turning yellow at the same time. So yeah, so it's here. We have a whole bunch of other things as well, folks. The Fay Petal Forest. I don't know what they are wolf forest wolf. I think Ash will like that as well. Forest wolves. We have Fae on bees. You have your fairy and pixies. That looks really cool. We have your Fae queen. I like to have like different types of fae. I got a winter fae, and I think I got the fall one. And I think I don't have a spring one yet. So this will be very good to replace for spring. For that, and that looks awesome. For it. But anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. Let me know which one you guys really do like. Anyhow, you guys are watching. Have a great day, guys. See ya. Bye.